Many of us have medical technology to thank for saving or extending our lives. Let's take a look.
Walking is an important activity of daily living. As we walk, more than 1,000 muscles are synchronized to move over 200 bones around 100 movable joints. It's quite a complex process. Beyond enabling us to get around, however, the manner in which we walk, or our gait, can reveal important information about our state of health. Changes in coordination, speed, and precision while walking may be markers of underlying changes in our health. For example, as people get older, they may walk more slowly and start to shuffle. Those who have suffered a stroke may drag one of their legs, and people with an injured knee or hip may walk asymmetrically. Measuring temporospatial, or time and distance, gait parameters can provide clinicians and researchers with valuable diagnostic and therapeutic information. Using Wi-Fi technology and patented snap-together design, GAITRite Surface offers unlimited layouts, configured at will, to create straights, turns, ovals, or even a full floor, including steps and curbs for real-world walking tasks.
GaitAnalysis provides many healthcare providers information about functional walking for people of all ages. Clinically, gait assessment measures progress before and after therapy and interventions. In research, it can be part of the diagnostic protocols for Alzheimer's, Parkinson's disease, and cerebral palsy.
Developed over 20 years ago by CIR Systems, the GAITRite portable gait analysis system provides a simple way to obtain valid, reliable, and objective temporospatial measures of gait in real time in clinical and research settings.
With over 20 years in the industry, GAITRite is the gold standard for temporal spatial gait analysis. We've taken what has traditionally been a tedious and labor-intensive process for measuring gait parameters and replaced it with an automated gait analysis system.
GAITRite is cited in over 600 current peer-reviewed scientific and clinical publications today. It features an electronic walkway that contains thousands of sensors to analyze all aspects of how a person walks, mapping the footfalls along the electronic walkway. The portable electronic walkway is connected to a computer. As individuals walk across the GAITRite walkway, their footfalls are recorded and variables such as cadence, step length, velocity, and other important parameters are measured. People with crutches, walkers, or canes can be tested while using their assistive devices. The application software controls the functionality of the walkway, and data and images of a person's gait pattern are processed, recorded, and stored. Clinicians can analyze the data to develop the most effective treatment options. Over the course of treatment, gait patterns can be recorded and compared to track a person's progress.
The portable walkway can be enrolled over any flat surface with minimal setup and test time, requiring no instrumentation of the individual. As the person ambulates across the walkway, the software processes the data, capturing the geometry and the relative arrangement of each footfall as a function of time. Multiple walks may be collected in a matter of minutes, and progress reports are easily generated.
The GAITRite system is a key tool used in gait education and research at many rehabilitation centers and teaching institutions in the U.S.
The research faculty began using the GAITRite over 15 years ago. As a gait assessment tool, we could measure differences in walking strategies for our subjects of all ages with many healthcare conditions. Its ease of use allowed us to investigate walking here on our campus gait labs, as well as out in the community where people naturally engage in their daily activities.
Experts say GAITRite is ideal for establishing baseline function, documenting gait patterns pre- and post-intervention, matching objective gait parameters with subjective findings, and justifying decisions for devices or services provided. A step forward in gait assessment, GAITRite is used by more than 2,000 clinicians and researchers around the world. Easy to set up and simple to operate, the portable gait analysis system provides reliable, accurate data that's highly valuable in treating patients of all ages.
In addition to our research studies, we train students to effectively evaluate walking patterns as part of patient care management. The students utilize the captured data from the GAITRite to understand walking problems and then create targeted interventions aimed at improving walking function. 1, 2, 3, and stop.